6 accounts that make you rich. Now, banks won't tell you this. Most people only use 1 to 2 bank accounts their entire life. But what if I told you that the wealthy use up to 6 accounts, and each account is designed to grow their money automatically? Now, the truth is, the banks won't tell you this because it's not in their best interest. But in this video, I'll break it down for you step by step.
6 accounts. That's it. 6 accounts that make you rich. Now, before you click off thinking, Landon, you crazy, I can't even afford 1 account. Hear me out. I've been there. Hustling, working 2 jobs, barely scraping by, and still my money disappeared. I realized it's not just about how hard you work, but what your money does after you earn it. Most people let their money sit doing nothing. But if you put it in the right places, it works for you. That's the secret sauce. So listen up. These 6 accounts are the playbook that changed my life. It's not just about earning. It's about where you keep your money. I'm about to break down the exact 6 accounts that took me from broke to building real wealth. Get your notepad, get comfortable. Class is in session. Let's go. First up, the high-yield savings account. Not your grandma's savings account. This one actually pays you. Regular savings accounts give you crumbs. CHISAs give you real interest, 4, 5% or more. This is where you build your emergency fund, your oh-snap money. Your cash grows while it sits, so your safety net gets stronger every day. Put your first $1,000 here and watch it multiply. It's the foundation of your financial house. Non-negotiable. Level 1. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Get on it. Next. The brokerage account, your ticket to the stock market. Don't let the name scare you. It's just how you buy pieces of companies you love. Own Starbucks, Apple, whatever you use every day. You can buy individual stocks or ETFs, a basket of stocks for less risk. This is where long-term wealth is built. Your HISA is for safety. Your brokerage account is for growth. Your money works 24/7, even when you sleep. It's the ultimate employee. Never sick, never tired. Start investing even with small amounts. Let your money hustle for you. Now, the Roth IRA, the VIP room for your retirement money. You put in money you've already paid taxes on, invest it, and let it grow for decades. Here's the magic. When you retire, you take it out 100% tax-free. All that growth? The government can't touch it. It's the difference between a nice retirement and an incredible one. Especially if you're young, time is your superpower. Let your money compound tax-free. Don't leave this gift on the table. The Roth IRA is your golden ticket. Start one even if it's just a little at first. Secure your future tax-free. Take the gift. Got money you'll need in a year or 2? Enter the Certificate of Deposit CD. You lock your money away for a set time, and the bank pays you a higher interest rate. It's safer than the stock market, pays better than a regular savings account. Perfect for medium-term goals, like a down payment or wedding. The trade-off? Less flexibility, but guaranteed growth. It's like a time-locked safe for your cash. Know exactly what you'll have when the timer ends. Smart, disciplined, and safe. For your daily spending, skip the checking account. Use a money market account. It's a hybrid, better interest than checking, but still flexible. You get a debit card, can write checks, and your money earns while it waits to pay bills. There might be withdrawal limits, but for most, it's perfect. It's the best hub for your cash flow. Convenience plus earning power. Don't let your money sit idle. Make every dollar count. The secret weapon, the health savings account or HSA. If you have a high deductible health plan, you qualify. Triple tax benefits. Money in is tax deductible, it grows tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. It's a healthcare, investment, and retirement account in one. Invest your HSA funds and let them grow. After 65, use it for anything. Just pay regular taxes. It's the most powerful account most people ignore. Don't miss out on the triple win. If you qualify, open one now. It's the GOAT. That's the 6 accounts. HISA, brokerage, Roth IRA, CD, money market, and HSA. This is the playbook I used to take control of my money. But watching isn't enough. Action is everything. Pick one account you don't have yet. Open it this week, even if you start with just a few bucks. It's about building the habit, not the amount. Once you start, momentum builds. Your money starts working for you.